buyers should decide whether they are willing to live in the new home for at least 5 years. They should calculate their gross income to see if the cost of housing is less than 28% of that amount. It also helps a lot if buyers can afford a 20% down payment. The more you put down, the less your monthly payment obligations will be. Also, you should determine your budget and decide what kind of home is best suited for your needs. Maybe getting all the extras isn't as important as long as you can check off the must-haves. Have your realtor help guide you on what is most important in the long run. Have your mortgage specialist go over some rate hike scenarios with you so you know what the numbers will be in the long term to avoid any surprises. Finally, it's always good to know how much work the new home will need and whether you can afford all the renovation costs. Remember, you don't need to get everything done all at once. Splitting up the renovation will allow you to breathe a little and it won't break the bank. Planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Call us 905-334-5883. We're here to help.